A $500 a day preferred widow lead system is designed to give agents on a shoestring budget the ability to have 15-17 interviews a week working niche market of widows. The secret is following the system of mailing 125 pink postcards a week to niche widows and then calling 20-25 widows a day on the phone to deliver a free gift. In fact, a major financial company said that in 2019, 65% of all their final expense plans were sold to widows. So why aren't you working widows? You can. We have developed a software program that uses 17 different sources to compile our power niche widow leads. Some are from old direct mail leads, phone surveys, seminars, aged TV leads, DMV, and 12 other proprietary sources. Now you can work almost every widow in your favorite zip codes, city and county. Sometimes we have 3-4 widows on a street. The software is about 87% accurate. We have no control over widows passing away, getting remarried, or moving. Of course, we give you extra widow leads to compensate for this issue. In fact, here's a short outline to run on. I gave to an agent who is averaging $400 to $500 a day, working my $500 a day preferred widow lead system. I recommend sending out 125 pre-approach $1 million postcards on pink card stock per week to widows. Just use my postcard template, have Staples or Office Depot print up a batch of postcards. The postcard template is 2 per 8 by 11 sheet of paper. Hand address them and put a 39-cent stamp on it. Please note, when I first started using these unique postcards over 25 years ago, postage was only 17 cents a card. You can buy a ream of pink 67 LB cardstock for about $1,200 at any local office store. No big deal, cost about $35 per week to operate. Here's what others say about our system. I doubled my production in 90 days using your preferred widow lead system and door approach. Thanks to your widow lead system, I have a 90% appointment rate with Afro-American grandmothers, Rod Strange, Florida. Thanks to your ingenious widow lead system, I 20 times my investment in just 6 weeks. Thanks, Russ, you are a genius. Rob Grange, Columbus, Ohio. Hey, Russ, you won't believe this. I had over 17 widows call me back in 3 weeks when I hung your "Sorry I missed you" free gift postcard on their front door. I sold 8 policies for about $3,200 in commissions. Your total system works. Alice Brown, Atlanta, Georgia. Here's to your success.